Hello guys, and welcome back to another fulfilling video. Another fulfilling video with me, just me, all by myself. All the friends that I had were imaginary, and all those vlogs that I posted are not real. I finished my last AP exam a couple hours ago, so I'm basically free. So my life is a mess right now. Quarantine has done me quite dirty. I just changed out a shirt that had a chocolate stain on it, and my voice is dry because I just ate a chocolate bar. My room is kind of not clean. We're approaching the end of May, and lockdown guidelines are getting a little bit laxer. Like, we're gradually getting out of it. We're gonna be out of this. I'm gonna be out of the house one day. I was thinking it would be a tragedy if I came out of quarantine as busted and crusted coming into quarantine. So we're gonna rehearse my daily look. Gonna rehearse a get ready with me. This is not just any lazy video of me just getting ready, you know, until you know. No, we're rehearsing. I have 3 goals. 1, I want to have clear skin. It's been a goal for a while. Ever since middle school. It used to be worse, but right now, clear skin, I kind of want that, you know. I haven't been doing anything else. I should be washing my face or doing something and improving my lifestyle. Now, goal number 2. Having a consistent makeup routine. I was looking through old photos of my makeup and stuff, and I realized, wow, 90% of the time my makeup looks bad. We're gonna figure out what I'm gonna do for that. That's something quick and good. If that doesn't make me look like I'm 12, because I'm not, or an Asian auntie. And we're gonna figure out what I'm gonna wear using my closet that has mostly winter stuff. I cleared my closet during the middle of winter, and I don't have any more warm clothes, but I'm gonna have to figure that out because I'm not gonna be buying any clothes. So for the clear skin thing, my skin is quite bad. I have a lot of acne scars and texture. I've been struggling with acne since like middle school. Earlier than the people I knew. Back in middle school, kind of didn't like my face because everybody else had like kid skin, and I had like breakouts and stuff. It's not as bad today. I'm perfectly fine with going outside with no makeup now. Like, I'm fine, but I kind of wanna do something to my skin. So finally caved in and got a free trial of Curology. I keep getting ads on it, and the YouTubers I follow keep doing sponsorships with them. This is how the box looks like. Love your skin every day. I just really like the package. This is the only thing I've bought for the entirety of quarantine, and I only had to pay $5 for shipping. God, I love packaging. I feel really lame doing this. God, I like getting new things. Capitalism really has me in its clutches. So new. I'm gonna ruin it. See, look at this contour palette. I ruined everything. God damn it. Oh my god, my knees hurt. So now, I'm gonna try these new things. The directions. Gently massage onto damp face, then rinse off. This is so small. Now that my face is clean, I kind of hated the makeup that I had in the last video. I always go in with primer. My skin is oily as hell. I'll use a brush. It's on the outside of my face because under eye corrector. Bronzer. I go under blush. No. My brushes are very dirty. I woke up in the middle of the night. I'm pretty sure I knocked everything down on my table. I sleep over there. All my stuff is right here, which is a bad idea. And those are the things that I still haven't picked up because I'm too lazy. And I just know that I'm gonna do it again. I'll pick that up on another day. I'm not even gonna say the name of this product because I hate it. I think the main point of this makeup is to try not to do eyeshadow because that's literally the only reason why it took so long. It's not even good eyeshadow. It doesn't even look like I spent that much time because once I open my eyes, it's like from this to like this. Can't see it, bro. I don't have a very skinny nails. I don't really care, but I do care, so that's why I'm doing it. I think the bare minimum for me is just to look like a girl. Oh my god, why is my nose so itchy? I'm just gonna use the shimmer because we're trying not to do anything complicated. It's gonna go in a inner corner using this highlight shade. We're not gonna do a full-on wing. I'm not gonna do like, I'm just gonna do, I feel like I can't even see that, but it's just whoop. And if it's too purple, this palette again, take my finger and pat in the orange shadow to make it a little bit more warm toned for my taste. Then I spend a good minute or two just staring at myself in the mirror, usually without fail. I think the thing that I neglect most, other than my responsibilities, is my hair. I can go to school with the worst hair possible because I just don't care enough about it. I don't know. It looks so stupid. So I'm just gonna show you what I plan to do with my bangs. So in February, I cut my hair to shoulder length. It used to be longer, like this, and I cut it because I don't know why. I'm just gonna put a little bit more volume into my hair. This is a really bad angle. I'm okay with that. So for the lookbook that follows, I'm going to be using a couple of TikTok tricks that I've seen and I kind of want to try out since I'm not going to be buying any new clothes, and I kind of just want to see the possibilities of the clothes that I can wear.
Lady, I love you, and I just wanna show you. From the way you touch me and kiss me to the sparkle in your eye. Oh, how I love you, I just feel so lost without you. With my love and intuition, you'll never have to say goodbye. 어제는 맘이 급했어, 네가 너무 예뻐서. 너의 이름도 몰랐어, 중요하질 않아서. 느낌이 좀 이상했어, 눈이 마주칠 땐 정말 내 것 같았어. 헝클어진 네 머리, 그 여린 숨소리, 이 느낌은 뭐지? 가슴이 Oh, I really can't explain. 언젠간 너도 날 사랑할까? 나는 준비가 다 됐어. Baby, give me just one chance. Lady, I love you, and I just wanna show you. From the way you touch me and kiss me to the sparkle in your eye. Oh, how I love you.
So that's all I have for you today. I don't know what the point of this video was. Halfway through, I thought of just making it a lookbook. Go ahead and, you know, click the like button. It actually helps with the YouTube algorithm, I think. I don't know. Just like it if you want. Also subscribe if you want to see more fulfilling videos on this very fulfilling channel. Bye. I hope next time I have friends.
Baby, there's no other. Baby, you got me cheesing and feeling some tight. 저 거울 속에 비친 난 마치 your honey. 이 느낌은 마치 영원히 계속될 기분이야. 네 맘이 다르면 어떤